what is up? It's your girl, Dr. Samara, and I am back with another video. If you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free, and let's get into this video.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high, till I feel the lights down right now.
All right, guys, so basically, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about what instant accounts means. Simply, that is offered by Hola Prime. Did you want to say hello, Samaya? Do you want to say hello? You want to say hello? Say hi. Good girl. So that's Samaya, y'all. She wanted to show her appearance, but let's actually get into this video. All right, guys. So Hola Prime has definitely came out with another banger. As you guys can see here, they have created instant accounts for all of their traders, guys. So instead of having to endure a challenge, having to meet the daily profits, or just ultimately having to purchase a challenge before you're able to get your payouts sent to you, you don't have to worry about that anymore. So with the instant account, as you guys see here, it says that you can start trading and earning instantly without any challenge phases or waiting altogether. The key thing behind the instant account, everyone, is that there's no evaluation. So the instant account is designed for seasoned traders looking to start an account without any evaluation challenges, profit targets, or minimum trading days. This feature gives you immediate access to the Hola Prime account, allowing you to start earning rewards right away. How does it work? Getting started with an instant account is simple and hassle-free. Step 1, you will start trading. You will get direct access to Hola Prime's trading account. And then step 2, you can simply take out a payment. Now, in order to take out your payment, guys, you must complete your KYC. If you're not sure what a KYC is, basically it's pretty much a verification process of making sure you are who you say you are. So pretty much they're going to go through, questionnaires with you, possibly, addressing some information as far as your driver's license, maybe some pictures of yourself, just to make sure that you are true. And you are a human being, because again, guys, there are a lot of AI usage with a lot of platforms, and they're just wanting to make sure that you are a real person, right? So in order to get your payouts, you just have to complete your KYC, and you can get your payouts within 1 hour of request. So it literally says start now. I just wanted to kind of go over what instant accounts were, guys, and kind of give you guys an opportunity of what Hola Prime has to offer. So basically, guys, altogether, it's only 2 steps when you sign up and create an instant account. And so basically, here are the benefits of having an instant account, right? The number 1 is that you get to skip evaluation. So there will be no evaluation phase for you to gain access to your Hola Prime account. Another thing is that you get to save the time it takes to pass the evaluation process and start earning immediately. So no more of having to trade within 30 days to meet the guidelines of passing the evaluation. You don't have to worry about that, right? There's no targets. So you get to enjoy the freedom of no profit targets or minimum trading days. So if you are someone who literally only trades 3 days out the week, or maybe 1 day out the week, you don't have to worry about that in regards to what the evaluation process endures, right? And then also you get up to 90% of your hard-earned simulated profits. That's really pretty good, guys. These are the different account sizes that you can choose from. Again, they are pretty cost effective. You can get a $5,000 account size, guys, for only just the fee of $129, all the way up to a $100,000 account, which is the fee of $2,200. That itself, guys, is a huge opportunity, especially if you all are starting at a very much lower compounding size of, let's say, $50, you know that it's going to take you some time until you start to actually compound it into a much larger account. But with Hola Prime, they give you this opportunity of just spending $130 so that you can have a $5,000 account and make larger profits. It's a win-win, guys. So of course it goes over the many different parameters, that these different types of account sizes have for you. So again, with the minimum daily loss, guys, is going to be 3% for all account sizes. For the maximum loss, which is the trailing, it's going to be 5% altogether. You can leverage up to 30.1, or I'm sorry. So you can leverage up to 30-to-1 ratio, as well as you have rewards up to, which is your payout, up to 90% for all of the accounts. Okay. It says discover how much you can grow your account by simply using their calculator to see the potential growth you can possibly have with using Hola Prime's instant accounts, right? So as you guys can see here, let's say we start at 5,000. Let's say we do a time period of 4 months, and then we'll keep it at the 10. We'll keep it at the 10% minimum profit target, right? So now your new scale balance is going to be roughly 6,250. That's actually not bad at all. And again, your profit split is going to be 90-10. So you're able to take home 90% of what you've just made. And then, of course, Hola Prime will keep the 10%, right? Again, guys, they do have a Discord that you can join, this community that Hola Prime has to offer for all of their traders. You get to work together with other different traders that is also using Hola Prime. So it's definitely another opportunity that you guys should be a part of, to just give you that motivation and inspiration of continuing to excel in your instant account, or even your competition account, or your evaluation account if you're completing a challenge, right? Last but not least, guys, if you haven't already, especially with the opportunities of my VIP trading signal group, guys, I'm able to send out these awesome, amazing trading ideas that I simply use, that I go into the account and make my profits. You can definitely, boost from that as well, and just, copy and paste my trading ideas into your trading platform and make some money as well. So that's another opportunity that you can use to help make you some profitable, success within the market altogether. They do have a frequently asked question section here, as you know. It kind of goes over what is an instant account. Instant account, again, guys, is designed for experienced traders looking to start an account without any evaluation challenges, profit targets, or minimum trading days. This feature gives you immediate access to Hola Prime Instant Account, allowing you to start earning right from day one. So that is a huge and very cool opportunity that a lot of you guys should get your hands on, especially if you're having trouble with passing the challenge. This is definitely an opportunity that you should not pass up. Again, we already kind of went over the benefits of the instant account. It kind of tells you what is the daily loss limit, and then what is the maximum trailing drawdown limit as well. That is something that you guys can definitely read on your own time. But I wanted to get on here and just give you guys something that you may not be aware of that Hola Prime is offering to all of their traders. I like to keep you guys updated with what is going on, but I am actually going to make a purchase for the instant account that will actually be in the next video. So if you got into the end of this video, shout out to you. Wait for the next video as far as me selecting my instant account. And then, if you're curious about what instant account I'm going to choose as far as the size, just stay tuned for the next video. But anywho, if you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, because it is what? It is free. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.